Hello everyone, I'm Bobby, and on today's episode I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the Sansi SGLED 4-pack. It's a 150 watt bulb that's rated for use in enclosed fixtures. The Sansi SGLED light bulbs can be purchased on Amazon, and I'm leaving a link in the description for this video that you can go to where you can purchase your Sansi SGLED light bulbs, and also a discount code where you can enter at checkout to get a 20% discount off your purchase. Alright, let's go ahead on and unbox one of the lights. All four light bulbs are the same. They're rated the same as a 150 watt bulb. That's what your bulb's going to look like. These bulbs are made for going in enclosed fixtures. The chips inside of them can adjust their temperatures by themselves, and they make them ideal for putting them in enclosed lights and fixtures and stuff like that, where heat can shorten the life of your bulb. They have a long lifespan of 25,000 hours or 22.8 years based on 3 hours a day of use. Bulbs are supposed to save money with an estimated cost of $2.65 a year based on 3 hours a day. They're super bright at 1600 lumens. They also are flicker free, non-buzzing or noise, and there's no lead or mercury or UV or IR. And they have a 6.5 year warranty with friendly customer service from the company where you purchase them from on Amazon. This bulb right here is a 12 watt bulb, which is equivalent to 150 watts. It's an enclosed fixture rated bulb. It produces 1600 lumens and 5000 kD light. Has a color temperature of 5000 Kelvin, a beam angle of 180 degrees, and an IP rating of IP120. It's 120 VAC voltage with 60 hertz, and it has a lifetime use of 25,000 hours. Overheating is the biggest problem for an LED light bulb. The LED chips inside of the regular light bulbs, LED light bulbs, are similar to that of laptops and other LED devices. For a long time, there hasn't been any choice in LED light bulbs that were rated for enclosed fixtures. Don't have any ventilation, and it causes LED bulbs to overheat, and it shortens their lifespan. The SGLED light bulbs are designed for enclosed fixtures. The chips are built to adapt and last to temperature increases. As the temperature surrounding the bulb increases to a critical level, the SGLED chip will gradually reduce the power and lumens of the bulb is outputting, and a small decrease in lumens is around 10% and isn't visible to your eye, so you won't be able to see the reduction in the lumens that this bulb will do if it gets to a critical heat or a temperature environment. This is a regular light bulb, and the temperature is around 236.3 degrees, 235, 236 degrees. It's a regular 150 watt light bulb. Okay, and then I'll go ahead on and check out the Sansi one. This light bulb is so hot that I can't even touch it with my hand. So you can imagine what the temperature would be inside of an enclosed fixture. Now let's go ahead on and test out the Sansi SGLED 150 watt light bulb. And wow, is that bright. Now let's check the temperature on that one. It's sitting in at 79, 73 degrees. 73, around 73 degrees compared to the other light bulb that was around 240, 250 degrees. So that's a big difference when it comes to installing a light bulb in an enclosed fixture. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes now, and the light bulb is heated up to around 89 degrees. It's fluctuating between 88 and 89, 93. So this is actually cooler than the human body, so I should have no problem taking it out. That's about as hot as it's going to get. If it was inside of an enclosed fixture and the temperature was building up inside of the fixture, it would actually drop 10 lumens down, and it would decrease the temperature so that it would prolong the life of the LED chip that's inside of the bulb. So I'm going to go ahead on now and turn this off, and we're going to test a regular LED light bulb that's not rated for an enclosed fixture. This LED bulb isn't even rated for 150 watts. It's just rated for 100 watts. And you can see the temperature of it is around 125 degrees. And it's going on up. 126 degrees. And it's going to continue to go up. And that's a big difference between the low 90 degree mark that the Sansi light was registering. See here. It's continuing to raise up to 129 degrees. $130. So this light bulb, a 100 watt regular LED bulb that's not made for an enclosed fixture, is running around 130 degrees. It may even go up any more, 131 degrees. It's a big difference when it's inside of an enclosed fixture. So alright, we're now going to go ahead and do some more tests on this Sansi light bulb. I'm going to test the radiation background of the light, and it's coming back as safe and normal. Just putting a Geiger counter on it. So it's a safe bulb. This is a 1943 National 38 gas pump, and it has a reverse painted piece of glass for the advertising that says Kelso that predates Chevron. That's in the very top of it. I don't want to put a regular light bulb in there because when I did, I noticed that it was very hot, and also a regular LED, because it's an enclosed area, caused the glass to heat up. So with the Sansi SGLED, the temperature is 71.7 degrees. So that's an acceptable temperature to preserve that paint on the back of there that's been there since 1943. So this is where I've chose to use my Sansi SGLED cooled light bulb. This is my review on the Sansi SGLED light bulb. And again, you can go on Amazon, and I'm providing a link on Amazon in the description for this video where you can go on and purchase these, and also enter a discount code that I've provided in the description area that you can enter at checkout to get a 20% discount off your purchase. Would I recommend SGLED lights by Sansi? I highly would recommend them if you want to use them in any kind of enclosed fixture or anywhere that you want, that you need a bulb that's going to last for a nice long time, 25,000 hours. It has a good warranty, and it's not going to overheat and become damaged because it's in a contained space, or overheat something like that gas pump that I'm using it in and damage the paint. So I would highly recommend it. I give the bulbs a 10. Check out the website. You won't be disappointed. I've enjoyed doing this review for Sansi, and y'all have a good day now. And don't forget to subscribe to GetGo TV, and I've got some more other reviews that you might want to be interested in seeing, like Sansi security cameras and some other items. So y'all have a good day, and enjoy your Sansi light bulbs when you get them.